Right, so here we have our 3D shapes. Remember, 3D shapes are fat. 2D shapes, what we've been learning about the previous days, are flat. Right, let's go through some of their names. So this one is a cube. We have a sphere. We have a square-based pyramid. We have a cylinder. We have a cone. And we have a cuboid. So just like 2D shapes, 3D shapes have vertices. So remember, vertices is a posh word for a corner where there is a point. They also have something called a face. Now the face doesn't have eyes, it doesn't have a nose, and it doesn't have a mouth. But the face in 3D shapes are either flat or curved surfaces. Right, let's look at a cube for an example. So I can see that the cube has a flat face here. So it's got 1. If I turn it, it's got 2. There's another flat face. 3, another flat face. 4, another flat face. 5, and then 6. So a cube has 6 flat faces. Whereas if we look at a sphere is round. Now a sphere has 1 curved face, that's all it has. So it doesn't have a flat surface like the cube, it has a curved surface, and it just means it has 1 curved face. So a 3D shape also has something called an edge. Now an edge is where 2 faces meet together. Right, so we'll look at the cube again for an example. So we said this part here, this flat surface, was a face. Now remember, an edge, it's where 2 faces join together. So the edges are these parts here. See these lines that join this face and this face together? This is an edge here. Okay, so let's count how many edges we have on a cube. So I've got 1 here joining these 2 faces together. I've got another one here joining this face and this face together. So I've got 2. An edge here joining this face and this face together. 3. Another one here joining this face and this face together. So I've got 4 edges at the top. Now let's turn it over to the bottom. 4. Now again, I've got 1 here joining these 2 faces. 5. Another one, this face and this face. 6. Another edge here joining these 2 faces together. 7. Another one here joining these 2. 8. So we've got 8 altogether on the top and the bottom. However, we do have some edges on the sides. Okay, so let's count these as well. So we've got 8 altogether, so we've got 8, and then we've got another one here joining these 2 faces together. 9. Another one here joining these 2 faces together. 10. Let's turn it around. And then we've got another one here. 11. And another one here joining this face and this face together. 12. So a cube has 12 edges. So if we look at a sphere as well for an example, remember we said a sphere has 1 curved face. So remember, an edge is what joins 2 faces together. So how many edges do you think a sphere has? Well, it doesn't have any, because a sphere only has 1 face and edges join 2 faces together. Well done if you got that right.